Working fully kitted means you have everything you need to complete the task at hand before you get started. Planning the work before you work the plan. Welcome to the Systems Thinker, a video series to help you know the whole, focus on the constraint, and reach your goal. Fully kitted means you understand the work's context and purpose, as well as the outcomes required in terms of quality and quantity. You also have the necessary human, material, financial, and information resources to complete it. And you know by when it should be finished. The Toyota management system famously allows anyone on the shop floor to stop the line when there's a defect. With an eye on the long term, they would rather lose production and solve the root cause of the problem than perpetuate the flaw through a quick fix. Adopting this approach puts a premium on thorough and rigorous planning. Such a mindset demands behaviors that promote high-level coordination and enhance collaboration across the system. People, parts, equipment, manuals, safety routines, operating procedures, and the like must all be in place before the work can start. If the full kit's not there when the schedule calls for it, work should not start. Invest the necessary time to address the root cause of why the full kit's not ready to go. My course for systems thinkers explores how to embed the idea and realize the benefits of working fully kitted as a foundation process for high-performance teams. Using the 5 commandments methodically will optimize value delivered from constraints and contribute significantly to consistent high performance over the long haul. To learn more and experience what I mean, click the link in the comments below.